So I'll be showing you how to check out or how to see your Instagram link history. So this is basically every link you've clicked on inside Instagram to take you to a website outside of Instagram. So this could be links on ads and stuff like that. So what you want to do is tap on your profile icon, and that opens your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the three-line button and then select your activity. Under your activity, if you scroll down, you should see link history. Tap on that. And here you're gonna see a list of every link you've ever visited. Now currently I only have one. If I had more, they would be listed here. So like I said, these are links you have clicked on inside the Instagram app to take you to websites outside of Instagram. Again, it could be links from ads, it could be links in bios and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.